and leave. So hopefully that's your goal. If not, you're going to work for the rest of your life. And that's facts. Okay? Things are not getting cheaper. They're just getting more expensive. These 20-year-olds, they don't even want jobs. So the job market is struggling. So that means if the job market is struggling, they're struggling to get people to work, that means Social Security is going to be done because you need new investors coming into the labor force to pay people on Social Security. So if you would depend on Social Security, that's out. Donald Trump just came up with something called the Trump IRA. So you're no longer going to have a 401k. Right? See, I stay abreast upon all of this stuff. Right? So you guys can know what you're up against. Right? Your health, wealth, your love, and your happiness is all that matters. And if you're not taking care of all of that simultaneously, you're going to work until you die.